Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup in Minecraft. This simple recipe provides 4 hunger points, making it a valuable and renewable food source for your adventures. You'll only need a few common items: a crafting table, 1 bowl, and 2 different kinds of mushrooms. Let's gather our materials and get started on this essential survival meal. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 red mushroom, often found in dark forests or caves. Next, find 1 brown mushroom, which grows in many biomes, including swamps and taigas. Finally, craft a wooden bowl. Place 3 wooden planks in a V shape on your crafting table to create this essential container. Now you have everything needed for the soup.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Minecraft tips. Quick recommendation: imagine playing Minecraft with immersive sound from your Echo Dot smart speaker. It truly brings your game to life. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your ingredients ready, open your crafting table. The crafting recipe for mushroom soup is very flexible. Simply place the bowl into any slot on the crafting grid. Then, add 1 red mushroom and 1 brown mushroom into any of the remaining slots. The order doesn't matter, as long as all 3 items are present. Your delicious mushroom soup will appear. Once crafted, you can enjoy your mushroom soup immediately. Simply hold the soup in your hand and use it, just like any other food item. It will instantly restore 4 hunger points. After consumption, an empty bowl will remain in your inventory. These empty bowls are stackable up to 64, so you can reuse them for more soup or other recipes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.